Of means multiplication. So 3/4 of 72 is just 3/4 times 72. Here we go. 3/4 times 72. What's that? Oh, you don't buy it? They've been telling you of means multiplication since you were like this tall, and you don't buy it. I like it. I like that. All right, let's look at a simpler problem. Yeah, you knew that was coming, right? Simpler problem. Figure out the concept. All right, let's see. Why does this of means multiplication thing actually work? Start with what is 2 of 72? Well, 2 of 72, well, we're going to take 2 of them. We got 2 of them, 72 and 72, and there you go. Repeated addition means multiplication, so this is just 72. What's that? Oh, you don't buy the repeated addition as multiplication thing either. I like that. Now, that means you didn't watch my earlier video, but I can live with that. All right, we'll cover that real quick right here. Distributive property. I'm just going to factor out the 72. All right, I'm going to factor out the 72, and I'm going to write this as 1 plus 1 times 72. All right, you buy that because that's one of our rules. Distributive property, we factor out the 72. You got 1 plus 1. Yeah, that's still 2. You do buy that, right? All right, that's good. All right, and that gives us 2 times 72. What is 2 of 72? It is 2 times 72. Oh, you think it just works for 2. Yeah, you know what's coming next. We're going to do 3. What is 3 of 72? Yeah, you know the drill here. 72 plus 72 plus 72. That's 3 72s, and we just saw that means that's 1 plus 1 plus 1 times 72. 3 times 72. 3 of 72. 3 times 72. You think it just works for whole numbers, integers? You don't think it's going to work for fractions? All right. What is half of 72? Of course it's 36, right? You double 36, you get 72. Half of 72 is 36. Okay, I'll go ahead and work through it. You want me to show you that 1/2 times 72 is also 36. Well, we know how to multiply fractions. We just multiply the tops and we multiply the bottoms. And that's not a fraction. But I can make it a fraction. I can write 72. Well, that's just 72 divided by 1. 72 over 1. That gives me, I multiply the tops, I get 72. I multiply the bottoms, I get 2. 72 over 2 is 72 divided by 2 is 36. Sure enough, half of 72 is 36. You buy it now. All right? Well, if you don't buy it now, you're just going to have to trust me because I've got nothing else. Now we go. 3/4 of 72. We're ready to go, and we even know how to multiply this fraction and this integer. This is the same thing as 3/4 times 72 over 1. So that's 3 times 72. 72 over 4 times 1. Now, I could multiply that out 3 times 72, but I see the 72 is divisible by 4. So I'm going to take the lazy route because that's always more fun. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to break up my fractions again. I'm going to write this as 3 over 1 times 72 over 4. I'm tricky that way. 3 over 1, 3 divided by 1, that's just 3. 72 divided by 4 is 18. Now, if you don't see that real quick, you could think 80 divided by 4 is 20. So 76 divided by 4 is 19. 72 divided by 4, yeah, that's 18. 3 times 18 is 54. And we're done.